Hi there traders, and welcome to Trade the Structure and the 5-minute trading day. Now we've got another live trade recorded for you. It's on the Hang Seng and it's a sell that made us 30 points. Nice and easy. You'll see all that play out. If you stick around, you'll see the action unfold for you live and I'll talk you right through it. Okay, you can see that I've marked up on the chart the levels that I'm interested in to take some action, and I've just placed my sell order into the market. Now I didn't place a buy order because I didn't like that setup. I didn't feel that was going to give us anything. I was more devoted to the downside and just expecting the action to be weighted to the downside once we open up. So I think this is going to open up in just a moment, and then you'll see the action kick off. Here we go. It's just traded open, and it's just traded through that high. I think it pushes a bit further, and then it starts to drop from there. So it was actually a good idea not to trade on the long side, and you'll see why, because it turned around and reversed, and it comes flying straight back down again. Okay, you see we've got our actual trade executed. The market did pop up, like I mentioned, and then come screaming back down and triggered our entry level to sell at 24,504. Now we've got a 30-point risk at 534, you'll see, just above that. And we've got a 30-point profit target just below that at 474. And I think this is going to trade in just a moment. It's just teetering on our profit target. So it's kind of tough. Oh, there you go. We've just traded through. So that's locked away the 30 points for the strategy. So there you do, the live trade, sold 20 at 504, bought them back at 474 for a $600 gain. So nice and simple. It wraps up another live trade in the Hang Seng for the 5-minute trading day. As you can see, you put in your levels, put in your orders, and let the market work for you. So remember to check out the website, www.tradethestructure.com, and remember, if you have any questions, just shoot us an email.